Yo, what's up, guys? This is Skate Tutors. This is how to put Prism Grip tape on an Ambition Snowskate. And this is the Phil Moreau Pro Model, brand new Ambition Snowskate. So check that out. It's a VHS tape. I used to watch these all the time. Skate videos, snowboard videos. It's an awesome design, Phil. Shout out goes to you. Check out his Snowskating, Phil Moreau, on YouTube. He's awesome. Phil Moreau. Check him out on YouTube. We're gonna open it right now. I'm so psyched. We're gonna open it up. Awesome. It's brand new. Smells new. Feels new. Awesome. Look at that. Fresh new Snowskate. It's got this crazy concave here on the Snowskate grip, foam grip. As you can see, it like kind of angles up on the sides. And it's got the layers of wood. This took like 4 months to get here. Had to pre-order it, and now they're sold out, the pro models, but you still can get the team boards and the session boards. Check them out at ambitionsnowskates.com. So it comes with this awesome, crazy picture of Phil doing this insane ollie over this set. So check that out. Shout out goes to him. And you can see up here the size of the Snowskate, and it's a 9 width. That's like the same size of my snowboard. And it's 34.5 inches long from nose to tail. So I'm psyched about the extra width of the Snowskate. It's bigger than my last one. Now we're gonna check out the Prism Grip. So open this right up, and there's directions right here. 2 pieces of this is like stomp pad material with like plastic rubber spikes, and it's like a sticker. You peel it off and you stick it to the foam grip. But there's a picture of the preferred design.
Make sure you guys smash like if you're getting value out of this Snowskate tutorial video.
So I'm going to take my scissors. I'm going to cut 13 pieces with 3 spikes on them, and then I'm going to have 25 other pieces I'm going to cut with the 2 spikes on them. I got 25 sets of 2 spikes and 13 sets of 3 spikes, and I ended up with 1 extra spike. Alright, so you just peel it right off. It's like a sticker. Don't peel it too much, because then you'll rip off the sticky stuff. So if you're having issues with peeling it, you could always make a little hole in the center and then start peeling it from the center. So that's what I have been issues with, is I'm peeling it and the sticky stuff sticking to the wax paper. If you do it this way, it's a little trick that I learned. Cool. And you just want to leave space right here to the edge of the foam, so none of the pieces are sticking off. So make sure you're precise. So I'm going to put this right up in the center of the tail, because I want these guys kind of to arch around the tail. So I'm going to put that right there. So I want to have 2 on each side and another 1 below this. So I'm going to do this one. Just try to have to focus on, give yourself space around the edges. I'm going to go with something like that. It's got to be precise. And you want it to be a mere reflection from this side to that side. Push it down, move on to the 3 spikes. If I put that right there, last piece for the back, for the tail. Put it right there. Move on to the back middle. A two-piecer right here and a two-piecer right here.
Put it right above the ambition symbol.
Bam. Right centered in the middle of the board. So I'm going to put it, bam, right there. Alright, now I want to get the right angle right here. So I'm going to look down from over top. And it looks like right where the beginning of the concave of the foam is going up. So I'm going to do the angle like that. Make sure you have space on the sides right here and here. Just want to space it out right. Make sure I know what I'm doing. There's a good amount of space from here to here and here to here. And I want this piece to reflect that 3 spiker. So I'm going to look at the picture and flash to the picture, see how these are angled. Kind of want an angle like this one, but it doesn't really matter as long as you have enough space here so it's not hanging off the edge. Look straight down from above to get that mirror reflection. Bam. Got the tail and the back end, and now we're going to move to the nose. And the nose is the same thing as the tail. So we're going to start at the tip. Just want to make sure you get centered. Give yourself space. Do it similar to the tail. For some reason the diagram shows this one back a little further, closer to these ones, but I'm going to keep this one up right around here. Bam. And man, there's his nose. If you guys want, you can click up here for this epic snow skating video I filmed last winter. It's called Snowskating 2.5. So check that out. Awesome video. So now we got the tail and the nose, so we got to figure out the middle. And we want to have the 3 spikes in the middle and then the 2 spikes pieces angled on the sides. And we actually ended up with an extra 2 piece and 1 piece, so we're just going to add that as a 3 spiker in the middle. So we're just going to look at it real quick, make sure you got it spaced out to where you want it. So I'm going to space it out here, get the right angles, and there's a little arch on each side of this foam grip that these 2 spikers fit nice. And do this one and this one first. Start off the middle one, because once we get the middle one centered, and then we can focus on the side 2 spiker angle. That looks good right there. So I'll do that. And these guys angle right into this 3 spiker. Just make sure you have enough space right here and here. You don't want this piece hanging off. But make sure you just have a mirror reflection from this side to that side. I'm gonna go here to this guy. Do the center one. This is the one that's a 2 and a 1. We're just gonna connect them, put it back together, make sure it's centered. So I got this part done. Now I'm moving to this part. I got this piece centered, so I'm gonna do this piece now. Hopefully it snows, everybody. All right, so now I got this piece on and this piece. I just gotta get this little section, make sure it's evenly spaced. All right, last step, just make sure you push it down. Make sure none of it's peeling up off the sides. check that out. Can't wait for this winter and some snowstorms. 360 flips my goal this winter. Make sure you guys smash like if you got value out of this video. Comment about Ambition Snowskates and comment. And also subscribe for more snowskating episodes. And if you want to see more snowskating videos,
click on one of the boxes on the screen and it'll take you to those videos.